Man, this thing got power. Okay, so this thing is waterproof. Welcome back, guys, to 519. So we got another car from Banggood, and this one is brushless. So you get the car, remote, charger, a couple tools, and the battery. So with this battery, they say playtime is 40 minutes, which is kind of a lot. I think usually cars are about like 20 minutes. So it is 4x4, it is brushless. So a while ago I had the brush version, and that one went about like 12 miles per hour. So I'm kind of curious how fast this one's gonna be. So here's the little motor right there, and it is covered. So I guess, you know, like kids can't touch it or something like that when it gets hot. So the battery plugs in here, but the battery is actually right there on the bottom. So we're gonna plug in the battery, and then we're gonna put a GPS on it and see how fast it runs. Also, we just got our first shirt, our first merch. So if you guys want to, check the link down below, and I'll try to do different colors, different designs, but for now we just got this one. And this thing has lights. Hopefully that sticks. Okay, so dang, 20. That's actually pretty quick for a small little car. I'm not gonna lie, it was actually pretty stable. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more wobbly, but it's actually pretty stable on high speed. Dude, that's actually pretty cool. Man, these cars are really fun to just bash around like in the backyard or something. Like, even as a gift, this thing would be a perfect gift for like Christmas or something, or even like a birthday. Man, this thing got power. Man, this thing hauls for a little car. So much fun. Yeah, let's go in the tube. Let's see if we can make it in the tube. Dude, this thing is cool. It dries pretty good on the grass too. This is a little hill climb right here. Ooh. Oh! Ooh, that was a cool front flip or something. This thing is crazy. Okay, so this thing is waterproof. We could make this little hill climb. Oh yeah! And it died. I would say, I mean, we're like running on and off probably like 20-25 minutes. So I mean, the battery lasted pretty decent, I guess, and car lasted, it did not break, so it is pretty solid for a small truck. So if you guys want to get this truck, I have a link down below for the brushless and the brushed one, so go check them out. So hopefully you guys like this video. Subscribe down below, check out the merch, and I'll see you guys next time.